We want to give a very special thanks to Mattel for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today we are taking a look at Barbie Color Reveal. This is Series 2 and it has a food theme. In Series 1, they had an animal theme, like that cute little cat on her shirt. Let's check out the new packaging. It is a different color. It's green on the top, fades to pink, and there's blue water at the bottom. It says scented reveal doll with water, 7 surprises. You can see all of the different girls at the bottom. On the side, it says which doll will you reveal? 'Cause it's a surprise. You get a sponge. You can change her eye color and makeup, hair color. You find mystery shoes, scented hair with a mystery scent, and a mystery skirt. We've done these before. We know the drill. Remove the plastic so we can see the doll. She's purple. Remove the top. Take out everything that's inside. Here is the doll. We have 4 surprises wrapped in plastic bags, instructions, and a collector's guide. Which doll will you reveal? On the back, we can see all of the dolls in this collection, including the Chelsea-sized ones. We need to fill our bottle with water. Yes, this is a water toy, so make sure you are on a protected surface. Add water. Fill the water up to the line. Remove the doll from the packaging. Place the doll in the tube of water. And there she is. And we should see something start to happen. There it is. The water's turning purple. I twist her back and forth in the water to wash off all of the purple. On the count of 3, we're gonna see who we have. 1, 2, 3. It's the popcorn girl. Have a towel standing by so you don't get water everywhere. And we can dry off the doll. I guess my water was a little too cold because you can already see her highlights and her lipstick. I can use the warmth in my hands to remove her lipstick so you can see that she does come with a neutral color. I like the no makeup look. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. She comes dressed with a painted bathing suit. This one has popcorn on the front. That makes a pretty good doll stand. Let's open the surprises. This one is pretty long, and it's her wig. Ooh, it's blue. It has a little bit of a curl to it. And it's scented. It kind of reminds me of like caramel or caramel, but I'm never really good at these guess the scents kind of situations. Watch it be blueberry or popcorn. The wig fits right over the doll's sculpted hair. There we go. You just gotta move it around and position it. At certain angles, the wig cap is visible, but we could just pretend like that's a headband or angle the camera right there. I do believe this one is the sponge. It's purple this time. Dip it in warm or icy water to change her makeup. There we go. Lipstick. And I think that's already blue. Oh no, it's bluer. And you can change her hair color as well. You know, I like that pixie cut. We got more surprises. So this is our skirt. It has a happy popcorn and star print on it. And our last surprise is a pair of shoes. Ooh, black boots. I like that. Here she is, fully dressed. We have 4 more. And there are 5 dolls in this collection, so hopefully we get a full set. No doubles. Add the water, place the doll in the water, swish it around, then reveal. It's a pizza girl. And my water was too cold again, so you can see her hair color and makeup. but I do like that pizza bathing suit. Our wig color is blonde and blue. Well, that's pretty cool. It's a straight wig and a little bit shorter. Her sponge is a star. We should have shoes in this one. Ooh, it's kind of like a bronzy color. I like the fringe. Always happy to add to my shoe collection. Last but not least, this is the skirt. It is blue with a triangle, pizza, and heart print. We can check these two off of the collector's guide, and we've got 3 to go. Warm water this time, Toya. Warm water. Looks like someone's ready for a dip in the pool. Whee! Look at that. It's like mesmerizing. Purple clouds. So calming. It's the taco girl. She has a pink pixie haircut, a lavender bathing suit with a taco, and no makeup because we made sure to use warm water this time. Open the bag, remove the sponge, another star, place it in cold water, then use it to apply lipstick. There we go. I think I need to make my water colder. Hold on. There we go. That's better. And it should change her eye color. Ooh, they turned a darker brown. Then reveal her hair color. Ooh, we get hot pink streaks. Look at that. Her wig is seriously red with a hint of lavender. Her shoes are yellow platforms, and her skirt has lots of happy tacos. Check. Here is our 4th one. Put her in the water. Can you see all of that? So cool. Our doll has white hair and popsicles. Here she is all dried off with her orange bathing suit. We have a heart sponge and we're going to see her lipstick. Ooh, it's like a reddy orange kind of color. Nope, it's hot pink. Let's see her eye color change. Ooh, her eyes get greener. Whoa, they get really green and she has green eyeshadow. Here's the big hair color reveal. Ooh, pink. Her wig is two-toned. Pink on one side, green on the other. Totally giving off watermelon vibes. Her shoes just fell, and I do believe they are hot pink. Yes, my favorite shoe color. Open toe with studs. Her skirt has popsicles all over it. It is very colorful, and yes, they have faces. Check. Our very last one goes into the water. It's the donut girl. Her hair is painted a soft pink. She has pale blue eyes, natural makeup, a blue bathing suit with a donut. Her wig is white with a soft purple and blue, and it smells like sugar. I don't know. I told y'all I was bad with smells. Her sponge is a flower. That's a new one. Revealing her lip color and hair color. There we go. Ooh, it's blue. She comes with blue shoes and a donut printed skirt to complete her look. Check. We got the whole collection. But wait, there's more. Color reveal Chelsea dolls. We have 5 more to open. The packaging is similar, only smaller. It says reveal doll with water. They have 6 surprises inside. The doll with a color changing outfit, a pair of shoes, some kind of accessory, a ponytail, and a skirt. Remove the outer plastic. Take off the top. Remove the doll and the accessories. We have 4 mystery bags and the doll. Fill the container with warm water up to the line. Remove the doll from the plastic. place her inside of the water. Let's do our color reveal thing. We have pink water instead of lavender. Lift the doll out of the water for the big reveal. She has sculpted brown hair with bangs. It is pulled back. Green eyes with a yellow and pink bathing suit. She can move at the head, shoulder, and hip. There is no sponge, but that's okay because we've got plenty from the Barbies. Use cold water to change her bathing suit. Aw, it looks like chocolate. In our mystery bags, we have, I think this is the hair, and yeah, a ponytail. It is brown and pink and fits into the back of her head, giving her hair a little extra length. In the other mystery bags, we have a juice box with a straw, a pair of hot pink shoes, and a skirt that looks like chocolate desserts. So they have a food theme too. Let's see who our second doll is. Into the water you go. Let's swish around. Let the magic happen. Well, it's not really magic, but it definitely feels magical. Here is our doll. She has dark hair, wears a pink bathing suit with a lollipop on the front. This should be her ponytail, which is, that looks like a dark brown, almost black, and hot pink. She has a yellow pinwheel, teal colored shoes, and a lollipop skirt. Use cold water to change her lollipop to purple. Sorry about your pinwheel there. Now her look is complete. Doll number 3. I can already see that her hairstyle is a little different. There we go. Water, water, water. Say hello to our new doll. She has brown hair, wears a white bathing suit with colorful marshmallows, it looks like. With icy water, the top changes color from white to hot pink. Her ponytail is brown and blonde. She has yellow boots, very cute, a marshmallow skirt, and she has a pink hair accessory. Only 2 dolls to go. This is so cool. No doubles so far. Our girl has a cotton candy theme. She has dark brown hair, wears a white bathing suit with cotton candy on the front. Let's add a little cold water and change the color to purple. Looks like we get a new hair texture with her ponytail. We get lavender and brown curls. Her skirt has cotton candy to match the top. She has a cotton candy accessory and lavender shoes. She holds her cotton candy to the side. This is it, our very last one. If it's the gummy bear girl, then we'll have a complete set with no doubles. And it is! She has blonde hair, wears a white bathing suit with stripes and a gummy bear on the front. That changes to dark purple with a little cold water. Can you see that? Her ponytail is straight. It has blonde and blue hair. She has a gummy bear skirt, wears blue jelly shoes, and comes with a pair of teal heart glasses. Completing our collection with no doubles. If you're looking for a new way to recycle these containers, wash and dry one out. Make a line with a dry erase marker. I made it higher in the back and lower in the front. Cut on the line drawn. Clean off the marker. Add rocks to the bottom. Place an air plant inside for a DIY air plant holder. Now I just gotta get some real air plants. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Color Reveal Series 2, along with the new Chelsea size dolls. I like the colorful skirts. It would be so awesome if they used the fabric to make PJs. Just throwing that out there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!